Good morning, traders. Manny Cabrera with our pre-market forecast for today, Wednesday, April 24th. Let's look at our news items. As we discussed earlier this week, nothing on the docket that's affecting us as far as our trading till Friday at 10 a.m. in the morning. Let's quickly look at our analysis chart. Let's begin with our daily chart. Market completely determined to head to all-time highs. I believe it hit one of the all-time highs. I think we're about maybe 10 points off. I think I have it at 49.75, the all-time high. Market continues. We have two strong days to the upside. We have one that was followed with a little bit of volume here. We had 994,000 contracts traded yesterday, which is a pretty good number considering what our average has been, and especially to the upside, which has been lower. So that's a really good number. Market right now, obviously, is going to consolidate a little bit before moving higher. That's typical. Remember, just remember the movements. Just remember the movements over and over and over and over again. Runs, retracements, consolidations, so on and so forth. Let's look at our projection chart. Our projection charts have been right on the money. Every single price action, every single price level that we have projected in the past has been in action here. We have obviously some projections to the upside. We have our highest projection price here at 29.90, almost 3,000. So that's the next level. I mean, we have quite a bit to go yet, but if the market continues its bullish runs, obviously those are the targets that we're envisioning in the near future. Right now, we have a market that's moving laterally since it hit the intraday high. We can see it more clearly here when we look at our analysis chart here. This is our market here from yesterday. You notice that was just a complete update, an up day that we were expecting. We were expecting this to happen yesterday. We actually had called it in our pre-markets, but this is what we have right now. Market is pretty much moving within this area here between the intraday high and this level here. That's what we have as a market right now. So essentially, market between these two areas. Not very friendly market to trade between these two areas. You have to be very careful, but we're expecting markets to develop a direct bias to a direction. It's either going to continue higher towards the all-time high, or it's going to break this level and try to reach some of these back here and try to take some profit taking. So that's the key for today. We can see it more clearly here when we look at this is our trade chart here. This is what we're talking about. We have our support, our resistance. This is where the market is moving. As far as trading is concerned, like I said, we need to see some movement out of this range before we start choosing some trades. Alrighty, so have a great day trading sessions. Let us know if you have any questions. Ciao.